Well, good morning everybody. You are finding me in the van this morning because I've got an exciting day ahead. I am ready to take my fire out today, so let me just show you. If you haven't seen my previous video, I am basically changing what I'm doing and having this fire taken out today. So I'm going to be taking you along with me and showing you the process as we take it out. Giving you more details about the fire later on, because if any of you are interested, that fire will be for sale. The reason why I'm selling this is because it's not suitable for a van, and I'll go into more detail about that in the later on section of the video. So yeah, I'm going to bring you with me. Mel's coming too, so you can enjoy a little road trip with us. All right, see you in a bit. The top plate inside has been taken out, and then the guy is going to be taking all the flue down first and then removing the housing and the fire in a minute. So we'll keep you posted as the progress goes along. It's a nice dry day as well, which is good, so we'll see you in a minute. Breaks my heart. Oh God. Okay, well, we're back, and now I've got a whopping great hole in my ceiling and a big space to play with. So let me show you what it's now looking like. So there's where the fire was. The fuel tank is directly in this area. So yeah, check where your fuel tank is if you're ever doing any drilling down through into the floor of the van, because you do not want to hit your fuel tank. So here's a closer up of the lovely big hole that I've now got to fill, and I've actually got some plastic sheet polythene over that at the moment to make it watertight. And there is the actual edge of the metal of the van, so I can show you up inside of what it looks like in the actual rim round. And then this is just the flue cap, or like, you know, the housing that goes over it. There's my insulation, and there's the void between the van and my cladding. So yeah, there's my wood stove. It's all been strapped up for transit. So this and the housing is what is going to be put up for sale. So whoever is interested in it, message me down below. I'll put the email. So it's the apple pie stove, and it's the baked apple combination with the original woodburner section and the stove on top, and then the housing, which is back at the behind there. Likelihood is, if you're in a house, you're not going to need to have the metal black housing. It's not going to fit in a fireplace. So if you want it floating, say in a room or like an outhouse or even like a summer house, it would be beautiful in there with the housing as well, because you wouldn't need any other insulation. You could just have that fitted. But unfortunately, it's not suitable for a van. So if you are thinking about putting a fire in a van, I would recommend going for a fire like Mel's. the cub or the grizzly. I personally would go for the grizzly because Mel has been saying to me quite recently that it's not quite big enough to last all night, so go for the grizzly. Anyway, I'll catch up with you later and see you then. Oh, Mel, just the man I need. Hello. What are you going to do about this hole then?
Hang on, I've got a good idea.
Alright, Mel?
Just dapper, super dapper.
He's very happy.
As you can tell,